I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Leche Flan Original Full Guide. Separate 8 egg yolks from whites and gently mix with 1 can sweetened condensed milk and 1 can evaporated milk until smooth. Warm 1 cup sugar with 1/4 cup water to make caramel, then pour into molds. Strain the custard, fill molds, and bake in a water bath at 325 degrees F for 45 minutes until set and slightly jiggly. Whisking gently prevents bubbles and keeps the flan silky. Avoid overbeating. Test doneness by checking for slight wobble when chilled briefly. Cool flans at room temperature, then refrigerate at least 4 hours or overnight before unmolding to preserve shape and flavor. To serve, run a knife around edges and invert onto a plate, letting caramel run over the custard for a glossy finish and rich sweet balance. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy fresh treats, consider a little upgrade for your car too. Automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice when you can. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for watching and sharing these flan tips. Now let's get back to the video. Use quality eggs and fresh milk for the best texture and flavor. Room temperature ingredients blend more evenly. Optionally, add a teaspoon of vanilla or a strip of lemon zest while heating milk for subtle aromatics. For a firmer texture, increase baking time by 5 to 10 minutes or reduce milk by 50 milliliters. Always cover molds with foil to prevent skinning and ensure even cooking in the bain-marie gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.